All right, here we go, guys. Make sure you check your item description to get the details on this month's sweepstakes. This is Topps Chrome Logofractor PYT 201. Those guesses, oops. Get your guesses in on the player on the last numbered Logofractor. We're going to have 5 4-card packs of 23 Topps Chrome Baseball. Then we have 2 5-card packs of the Logofractor design. Kind of similar to the last one, but less base in this one. Empty box number 1. Box number 2. Empty box number 2. 2 5-card Logofractor packs. And that's our 8. 10 base chrome packs. Good luck to everybody in this one. There's Ryan Nelson, Simeon Woods Richardson, Oswaldo Peraza, E.L. Hall, Anthony Rizzo, Jared Walsh, Willie Adames, Zach Gallen, Carlos Correa, Anthony Rendon, Volpe guess. Anybody else wants to get their guess in, do so now. We got Nolan Jones, Fernando Tatis, and Andrew McCutchen, Jose Ramirez, Jock Peterson, Drew Waters, Alek Manoah, Al Raleigh, Cody Clemens, Matthew Liberatore, Alex Bregman, Jonathan Arnada, MJ Melendez, Josh Smith, Clayton Kershaw, Nate Eaton, Kevin Gossman, Dermis Garcia rookie, Cedric Mullins, Oswald Peraza, Marcus Stroman, Alec Bohm, D.L. Hall again on the rookie, Anthony Rizzo, Zach Gallen. 3 of the base packs left. Xander, Bryce Harper, Correa, Rendon, McCutchen, Mountcastle, Benintendi, Jose Ramirez, Jock Peterson, Cal Raleigh. A lot of Cal Raleighs. Last pack here. Back to Ryan Nelson, Jared Walsh, Cody Clemens, Matthew Liberatore, MJ Melendez. All right, that does it for the base. Let's do the Logofractors again. We'll top load any color and rookies of the Logofractors. So we'll sleeve the veteran base like this. Byron Buxton. How about a purple Del Marte? You guys were guessing the player on the last. Oh, it's right here on the front. 12 out of 250. on the Ketel Marte purple. We have a blue rookie of Christopher Morel, 15 out of 150. Going to the Cubbies spot. Nice hit there for the Cubs. Jacob deGrom, Jordan Groshans. Stewie Ruiz. Juan Soto. We got Josh Young. Mookie Betts. And Michael Toglia. The last two packs. Good luck to everybody who's getting those guesses in for the player on the last numbered parallel. Jock Peterson. Mark Vintios. How about a gold to 50, Mookie Betts? He's got quite the warp to him. This one will get top loaded. Nice hit for the Dodgers there on the Mookie to 50. 48 out of 50 on that one. These other top loaded too. Jordan Walker rookie, Logofractor. Jose Ramirez, last pack. There's Garrett Mitchell on the rookie for the Brewers. How about a green Alec Thomas? Looks like Alec Thomas was the guess of the break, 83 out of 99. Anthony Volpe on the Future Stars. Tim Anderson and Adley Rutschman to end it. Nice hit for the Orioles. Let's top load these, recap, and then we'll move on to our Topps Finest flashbacks. And then we move on to our Topps Chrome Black. These top loaded here. Help straighten some of these out. Then a lot of these are got a warp to them. Yeah, Volpe was really close to that last. Seems like that happens a lot. Where you'll hit it, it'll be the first one you see instead of the last one. That's rough too. All right. The last one to top load here. We'll do our recap, then we'll move on to our Topps Finest flashbacks. We have Groshans on the Logofractor base. Stewie Perez, Toglia, Walker, Mitchell, the green Alec Thomas out of 99, U3 out of 99 going to the Diamondbacks. Anthony Volpe on Future Stars. How about Adley Rutschman? Rookie Cup out of 250, 12 out of 250. Ketel Marte, they hit two of the numbered parallels. The Diamondback spot. Out of 150, 15 out of 150. That's Christopher Morel for the Cubbies. Then out of 50, 48 out of 50. The gold Mookie Betts for the Dodgers. All right, that does it for this one. Flashbacks Finest is up next. That is PYT 188 coming up next, guys.